Once again, welcome you all. Now we are going to start linear measurement. Linear measurement means we are measure that we will use some instrument for measuring the linear measurement. So method of linear measurement, there are three types of we can bifurcate the methods: direct method, optical mean, and electronic method. So these three parameter we are going to divide this method. So in direct measurement, we can use the tape or wheel. We will rotate the wheel, which will by which we can calculate the number of rotation multiplied by circumference of this circle. We will get the distance, or we can use tape. Okay, odometer is also there, distanceometer is there. These are the direct measurement method. By optical means we will use some optical instruments for measuring the distance like laser, etc. So third is electronic method. By electronic mean, maybe we will measure the distance. So this on these three parameter we are dividing the measurement. So that right now we are going to only discuss for first year we are going to discuss only about the direct measurement method. So it is a chain surveying. Chain surveying actually for distance measurement we are using tape, but tape are not useful for jungle and mountainous area because tape is very weak in its strength, so that's why we are using chain. So first of all, types of chain. So there are four types of chain, and one is type of band or tape. So tape is also falls in this category. So first of all, there is metric chain. Second is surveyor chain or vector chain. Third is engineer's chain, and fourth is revenue chain. So here first of all, I am showing you some component of the chain. So here it is the handle of chain. Okay. These are the handles or ends of the chain. Okay, and this chain is made of some links. So this portion, these are the links of chain. So first of all, for all this chain, we should know what is the length. What is the length, and what are the numbers of links, and what is the length of one link. So for different chains, there are different number of different lengths, different number of links in different length of one link. So we will first of all we will study about the chains, then we will study about the bands. Okay. So first of all we are going to start with metric chain. So in metric chain generally available in the form of 5 meter, 10 meter, 15, 20, and 30 meter. These are the general size length of chain available. So length of one link is this portion. Okay, this is one link. So length of one link is 20 centimeter or 200 mm or zero point 0.2 meter. So here we can say 200 mm means or zero point 0.2 meter means for 1 meter there are five links. Okay, so for 5 meter length there are 25 links. For 10 meter 50 links are there. For 15-meter length it is 75. For 20-meter length it is 100. And for 30 meter it is number of links are 150. Number of links means how many links are there. Okay, so this is the specification of metric chain. So generally for 30 meter, some exams it will ask how many links in 30-meter chain. So our answer will be 150 links in 30-meter chain. And what is the length of one link? It is 200 mm or zero point 0.2 meter or 20 centimeter. Is it right? Next is surveyor chain. Okay, so length of surveyor chain is 66 feet. Okay, link size, length of one link is 0.6 feet. Okay, so for 0.6 feet, length of link is zero point 0.6 feet. Number of links are 100. Number of links in surveyor chain or gunter chain is 100. Is it correct? Is there any doubt? Next, so remember the name of this chain. It is surveyor chain or gunter chain. So length of chain is 66 feet. Length of one link is zero point 0.6 feet. And number of links are 100. After that, there is engineer's chain. It is 100. Length of this chain is 100. Engineer's chain is 100 feet. Link size is 101 feet, and number of links will be 100. Okay, it is the property of engineer's chain. Fourth one is revenue chain. Revenue chain is 33 feet long. Okay, and size of one link is 2.0625 feet. It is the length of one link, and number of links are 16. So approximately 2 feet length link is there, and 16 links are there, so it will be 33 feet long. After that, there are steel band or chain. So first of all, there is cloth tape. Cloth tape, it is made of cloth. Okay. Second is metallic tape. Metallic tape is made of cloth and metal wires. Actually, it is made of cloths, but it is reinforced with, means strengthened with metal wire. Fine steel wires are there. So metallic tape is made of cloth and metal wire. Steel tape is made of steel. Okay. And there is fourth one, invar tape. It is one of the important tape because it is made of steel, which is having it is a alloy of steel and nickel, which is having 64% steel and 36% nickel. Why it is important? Because it is having the least coefficient of thermal expansion, so there will be not any effect of the temperature change of due to which this length correction means chances of error will be minimum in inverted. Okay. After that, there are some error due to incorrect change length on its correction. How to solve this kind of correction? Suppose we are having a length. We are going to measure the length between A and B. Okay. By using a tape or chain. Suppose there is it is it is having a two distance between A and B is, suppose I am writing here, it is D. Okay. So if we are using a accurate chain, suppose it is L1. So if it is accurate, that time length of chain is accurate, that time distance will be correct. But suppose due to there is some defect in chain, it is short or long, that time measured distance will be not correct. That's why we have to solve the problem. So we first of all we will read the problem. The length of a line measured with 20-meter chain, okay, 20-meter chain we are using, was found 1700 meter. Okay, calculate the true length of the line if the chain was 10 centimeters short. Okay, means when we have measured the length by using 20-meter chain, we found that distance was 1700 meter. But the end we observed that this chain was not 20-meter, it was having 10 centimeters short. So we have to solve this problem. Actually, how many times we have plotted the chain for measuring 1700 meter? So it will be means seven, 1700. So 1700 divided by 20. That much time we have to plot the chain. So it is 85 times. So 85 times we have to put the chain. Okay. So 85 times we have got this error 10 centimeter. Are you getting? So we have to calculate it. So true distance will be we have to find. Okay. And incorrect distance we have measured it is that much. Incorrect length of chain was how much it is 19 point something. So here we will put the value in this formula. True distance. Okay. True distance it is we have to find out x. Incorrect measurement it is 1700. True length it is 10 centimeter short means 19.9 meter we have. It is true length of chain and incorrect length was 20. So we will solve this problem. X by 1700 is equal to 19.9 divided by 20. So 85 actually x is equal to 1700 divided by 20 multiplied by 19.9. Okay. So what will be the value? It will be 85 multiplied by 19.9. So true and correct answer will be 1691.5 meter. So it is our distance between point A and B. So answer of this question will be 1691.5. Okay, what we have to do? We have to put the value in this formula. It is true distance, true length. Incorrect measurement, incorrect length. So we have to take the ratios of this. Okay. So in such a way we have to solve the problem. Okay. Next level of problem will be suppose here we have calculated the distance, but next time suppose we will calculate the area. Somewhere we will calculate the volume and we have to correct the volume on area. So we will see how to solve this such kind of problem. So in last problem we calculate the distance. So for distance calculation we have used this formula. True distance is equal to true length, uh, which is proportional. Incorrect measurement, true distance divided by incorrect measurement, true length divided by incorrect length of chain. It is the formula for distance correction. For area correction we are having true area divided by incorrect measured area, true length of chain, incorrect length of chain. It is the same things here, but for area, here the power will be 2. For distance, it is power is 1. So for volume, here the power will be 3 and problem will be solved automatically. Okay. You have to take the ratios only. So we will see here how to calculate the distance correction. So the length of line measured with 20-meter chain, okay, and found is 250 meter. The calculate the length 10 long, okay. So what we have to find x meter divided is equal to line was chain was 10 centimeter long, so it is 20.1, okay, and here it is 20 and measured distance is 250, okay. So it will be when we will solve uh, it for x, so it will be 250 divided by 20, it is 12.5 multiplied by 20.1, so it will be 251.25. Okay, it is the formula true distance which is x, and true length of chain is 20.1, and measured distance is 250, and measured distance is 250 and 20 is Okay, here next problem is for area calculation. Here we have calculated the area. So by using 30-meter chain. 30-meter chain found the area calculated is this much. Calculate the true length of the line of chain. So true area, it is x, is it divided by incorrect measurement 1200 is equal to, here the power will be 2 for square meter area. Area will be, for area power will be 2, and formula will be 10, chain was 10 centimeter short. So 10 centimeter short means 29.9 divided by 30. So when we will solve for x, we will get the correct area. Okay, you should solve. Now volume calculation. For volume calculation, here in this formula, power will be 3. So power will be 3 here. So true volume, suppose it is V Vx, okay, or x. Incorrect measure volume, it is 100,000 cubic meter, is equal to length of chain and incorrect length of chain. Actually, what is the correction? Correction. Chain was 5 centimeter too long, so 20 point, okay, 5 centimeter, 0.5, okay, and incorrect length is 20 and power is 3. So when we will solve it for Vx or x, here I'm writing it is x. X we can calculate for it for x, and our answer will be there. Okay. The length of line was measured was 30-meter chain and found is 250 meter. Okay, again we have measured the length. So next problem to the problem. Okay. So for 30-meter chain, two distance we have to calculate it is x, and 250 is measured length, and chain was 10 centimeters too long. Okay, so 30.1 I'm writing here, and here it will be 30. So when we will solve it for x, it will be 250 multiplied by 30.1 divided by 30. It will be our answer. I don't know it is correct or not. Just calculate it. Whatever will become, it will be your answer. Let me check. It is 250 divided by 30. Okay. So it is 8 point something. 30.1 will be 250.8333. Yes, sir.